Let's talk about how you can create true abundance mindset using powerful prosperity practices that you can literally start applying right now. So, if you've ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle of scarcity thinking where you're constantly worried about money or stressed about the future or feeling like there's never enough of whatever it is, then this video is definitely for you because I'm going to be showing you how to literally shift from a scarcity mindset into an abundance mindset. And I'm going to be giving you practical prosperity practices that can help you attract more of what you want into your life, right? So I know this is for you because you're here. The fact that you've brought awareness and attention to it, and the fact that you're here and you know that you want to have more prosperity in your life, you've already taken a powerful step, right? You've already sent a signal to the universe saying, this is what I want for myself. So you're already open. So all you need to do now is get a pen and paper and get ready to do the work. So if you're really ready to start living in abundance and experiencing these prosperity in all the areas of your life, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is break down what an abundance mindset actually is. So an abundance mindset is the belief that there is more than enough of everything, right? More than enough of everything. More than enough money, opportunities, success, happiness, clients, wealth to go around, health to go around. It's knowing deep down that you have the power to create wealth and prosperity for yourself, and that there are limitless possibilities available to you. Let me ask you this. Do you currently believe that you have the power to create prosperity for yourself? Let me know in the chat. It's a simple question, but quite a powerful one. Often, you might think you have an abundance mindset and a prosperity mindset, but that simple question can really highlight the fact that actually you don't. There's something going on beneath the surface that's actually blocking you. So, on the flip side, a scarcity mindset is the belief that there is never enough, that you have to fight for every opportunity, you've got to work hard for every penny, and that success itself is a limited thing. It's that constant feeling of lack, whether it's money or time or clients or even your energy, right? Even your energy. An abundance mindset isn't about pretending that everything is perfect all the time, because let's face it, it never is. It's not perfect all the time, but it's about trusting that no matter what challenges come your way, no matter what you're facing, you can create and attract the resources and opportunities that you need to overcome them. Right? So no matter what life throws at you, an abundance mindset says, that's okay because I can get through this because I have the opportunities, I have the possibility, I have the resources available to me when I need them. Not, oh my gosh, I'm never going to get through this because I don't have, or because XYZ, or whatever the excuses are that you're currently saying to yourself. So, before we dive into the actual prosperity practices that I'm excited to share with you today, let's talk about some of the signs that you might be operating in a scarcity mindset. And I want you to jump straight into the chat and let me know which of these stand out for you as we go through them. So, the first one is a constant worry about money. So, are you always stressed about money, even when things are going well? Do you find yourself thinking, what if this doesn't last? I have to save every penny because what if I don't make any more? You get an amazing client deal come in, but you're like, well, that was great, but what if the next one doesn't come in? So even when things are going well, you can't be celebrating and firmly confident and focused in the moment. You're thinking about what next, what next, what next. That is a sign of scarcity thinking. It's also a sign that you're holding on so tight to control that you're leaving no space for anything to come in. You have to release the scarcity, release this fear, because when you do that, you open yourself up to more. If you're doing this, all you're doing is closing more away from yourself. So the second one is fear of losing opportunities. Let me know in the chat if this one sounds familiar to you. Do you hesitate to invest in yourself or your business because you're afraid of losing money? Losing money, right? Well, if I give you my money for this and I don't get back everything that I want from it, I've lost money. Have you? Because Hands up who's made investments that haven't quite delivered what they thought they were going to get from the investment, but haven't you always got something that you weren't expecting? Like there's value in everything you're investing in because you're investing in it. So whether you're learning something, you're getting to know yourself better, you're setting better boundaries, whatever it is, you're not losing money on those investments. Do you feel like there's never enough time? This is something that I'm still struggling with. I'm still trying to work through for myself. My scarcity is really around time. I always feel like I'm in such a huge rush, like there's never enough time. So even though I don't have money scarcity mindset anymore, I do still have time scarcity mindset. And so I've worked on my money mindset, and now I'm working on my time scarcity mindset. You might think there's not enough clients, not enough opportunities. So you hold back from taking risks. And these fears often come from a belief that success or resources or time are limited, right? So let me know in the chat if that one rings a bell for you. There's also jealousy of other people's success. Now, often we can kind of repel a little bit going, I'm not jealous, I'm not jealous. But actually, if you find yourself feeling jealous or resentful when you see someone else achieving the things that you want, that's actually a sign of scarcity mindset, right? That's not a sign of being jealous, that's a sign of scarcity mindset. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, they're celebrating what I want, so there's less of that for me. It's called the finite pie. We believe there's a finite amount of success or money to be had. So when we see other people taking a piece of the pie, we think there's less pie for us. There is no finite pie, right? The pie is infinite. Everything is infinite. Possibility, money, health, abundance, wealth, love, relationships. Everything is infinite and everything is infinitely available to you. So if any of these sort of scarcity mindsets feel or sound familiar for you, don't worry, because obviously you're not alone. I've shared a little bit with you already about my scarcity mindsets that are still lingering. And fundamentally, we've all experienced scarcity mindset, scarcity thinking at some point. If someone tells you they never have, I'd question that, to be honest. But the good news is you can shift into an abundance mindset with the right practices. As I said earlier, I've already done this work on money mindset. Now I'm doing this work on my time scarcity mindset because I've worked through this and now this has come up for me. So this isn't a one and done thing. You'll work through your money mindset, your scarcity around money, and something else might rear its head. But the good news is the tools you're learning now, you can put towards any scarcity mindset that you're experiencing. So let's get into the prosperity practices that are going to help you cultivate this abundance mindset. These are practical tools that you can start using every single day to shift your mind from scarcity to abundance. And as I said, I've linked a little gift for you. It's my free prosperity practices resource, and I've linked it down below. So 100%, when you finish this video or pause this video now, go there, download that prosperity practices resource, print it out, keep it with you. It's going to really, really help create this sort of daily prosperity practices actions that you need to take in order to move fully into an abundant mindset. So the first prosperity practice I'm sharing with you in this video is gratitude as a daily practice. Now, we hear this all the time. We're like, oh yeah, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. The reason everyone talks about it is because it is the simplest and most powerful way to turn your mindset from scarcity to abundance. It's the most powerful and easy way to create an abundant mindset and live with an abundant mindset. When you focus on what you do have instead of what you don't have, you start to feel abundant in the present moment. In the present moment. It's not about I'll be happy when, I'll be satisfied when, I'll be able to relax when. No, it's about what you have right now and about pulling yourself into the present moment and feeling deep gratitude for what you already have, for what you've already accomplished, for everything you've learned, for how far you've come. Wow, think about all of that stuff. So a daily gratitude practice, I know that you know what this is. It's super simple. Every morning or every evening, you write down 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for. So simple, so simple. And it could be something simple as the roof over your head, the work you get to do, the people in your life, your health, the lessons you've learned, how you're feeling, how your growth and evolution has changed. It can be anything. But just take a moment just to feel deeply grateful for what you have in this moment, in the moment. Feel abundance for what you already have, and more of the same will flow to you. Simple as that. The second prosperity practice is affirmations for abundance. So, affirmations are positive statements that help rewire, recode your subconscious mind. That's how powerful they can be. And the more you affirm your belief in abundance, the more you start to attract it into your life. So, examples of abundance affirmations are things like, money flows easily and effortlessly to me. Money is always flowing to me. I am worthy of wealth and success. I am worthy of wealth and success. There is always more than enough for everyone, including me. Including me. So, whichever affirmations work for you, you should write them down. Say them aloud every single day. Repeat them until they become part of your belief system, and you will believe them into reality. The third prosperity practice I want to share with you today is visualizing abundance. This is one of my favorites. I'm a very visual person. So, visualization is a hugely powerful practice for shifting away from scarcity and into an abundance mindset. When you visualize your life successful, prosperous, abundant, healthy, wealthy, strong, in love, you send a clear message to your mind and to the universe that you're ready to receive it, you're ready to have it. So, the way to visualize abundance is close your eyes and imagine your life is filled with abundance. Every part of your life, every part is filled, overflowing with abundance. Picture yourself having complete financial freedom, serving clients with ease and with love and with joy, and living the life you've always dreamed of, having the relationships you've always dreamed of. Focus on how it feels in your body to live with that level of abundance, that level of overflow. What does it feel like to have more than enough and to know that more is coming all the time? To be secure, to feel successful, and secure. The more vivid you can picture it, the more you can feel it, the more you can align yourself with the energy of abundance. Let me know in the chat if visualization is something you love as much as I do. I'm incredibly, the power of visualization and manifestation is insane to me, insane to me. So the next prosperity practice is to release the scarcity narrative that has been going on, probably subconsciously in the back of your mind. So one of the most important steps to having an abundance mindset is really letting go of any scarcity-based thoughts and beliefs. This is about recoding, right? Those thoughts and beliefs. This means you've got to identify the stories that you've been telling yourself about money, about success, about opportunities, and you've got to be consciously choosing to release them. So how do you release scarcity? A lot of stuff comes down to attention and awareness. You know, a lot of this mindset, this growth, this evolution, it comes down to your own attention and awareness. You're going to start to have to notice when you're having scarcity-based thoughts. Thoughts like, I can't do this. I'm not good enough to do this. There's not enough for me. Ask yourself, is this really true? Simple. Is this really true? Is this really based on fact? Because more often than not, scarcity beliefs, scarcity thoughts, scarcity stories are just fear-based stories. They're not based in reality at all. You can find the proof. The proof is there that you can be abundant in every area of your life. You're just currently choosing to look somewhere else. So reframe those thoughts, identify them, pull them out, write them in your journal and reframe them. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, say, how can I create the money for this? Shift from limitation to infinite possibility. The final one is to practice generosity. So, this is a bit of a surprising one. If you're in a place where you're feeling like you don't have enough money, giving freely might be something you're quite opposed to doing. But we're not just talking about giving your money, we're talking about giving freely of your time, your energy, your expertise, and your money. When you do that, you're sending a message that there is more than enough to go around and you are not holding on tightly to anything. You're telling the universe, I'm living in abundance. Like I know there's more coming. So I don't need to hold on to any of this. There's more energy, there's more expertise, there's more experience, there's more love, there's more freedom. So, the way you practice generosity is donate to a cause you're passionate about. Help someone without expecting anything in return. Be generous with your knowledge, your encouragement, your time, your support, your energy. The more you give, the more you create this flow of abundance in your life. And when you begin to live with an abundance mindset, everything starts to shift. Everything starts to shift. You stop stressing about money, you stop holding back from opportunities, and you start attracting more success, more clients, more wealth, more health. And you feel lighter with it all because you're not weighed down by that scarcity thinking. You feel freer, more confident, more excited about the future. Opportunities begin to flow to you because you're no longer blocking them with fear or with doubt. Living with an abundance mindset isn't just about having more, it's about being more. Living with an abundance mindset isn't just about having more, it's about being more open, more generous, more confident, more aligned with the life you want to create for yourself. So here's my challenge for you today. Start by implementing just one of these prosperity practices, okay? Maybe that's starting a gratitude journal or using affirmations or practicing generosity, whatever feels the most aligned to you. Start there, but take action today. And if you want more ideas, definitely download my free prosperity practices resource that I've linked for you in the comments down below. And remember, an abundance mindset isn't something that you achieve overnight. It's definitely a practice. And the more you integrate these practices into your daily life, even when you feel like you don't need them, the more natural they'll feel and the more abundance you'll attract. Like, what's not to love? So if this video resonated with you, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel for more tips on cultivating abundance and growing your online business and creating the life that you desire for yourself. I'd love to hear from you in the chat. What's one abundance practice you're going to be starting today? Let me know below. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it resonated with you. And just please start to believe that you are worthy of all of the abundance the world has to offer. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.